Hello children, today we are with the creative writing, a letter to the editor. This is a paper 2 skill. It is a major discourse. It is for 10 marks. Generally, you are given a news report and you are asked to write a letter to the editor in regard to that news report. Now, I would like to explain the pattern to be followed. First, write the date and place to the right hand top corner. Then write the from and to address. It is advisable to write the from and to address in capital letters to avoid confusion and to enhance clarity. Thirdly, write the subject, that is the main idea why you are writing this letter or what is the intention of writing this letter in one sentence. Any letter consists of 3 paragraphs, that is first one salutation, body of the letter and conclusion. In the first paragraph, greet the editor and tell him what are all the benefits the newspaper gives to you. In the second paragraph, write what you want to say, that is whatever is your opinion that you are expressing with regard to the news report. And third paragraph, write expecting some new articles. You can mention the topics on which you want some articles. And the most important point to note here is, do not repeat whatever is there in the news. This would make it very boring and you may lose the marks. Now, I have come to the pattern. This is the letter to the editor and I have written a letter with in connection to the article with the caption Kaleshwaram project, a boon to Telangana. So here I have first written the place Hyderabad, then the date 4th June 2020, and now I have written the to address to the editor, the Hindu, Hyderabad. So you can even write from address before the to address. Generally, because the place is not sufficient, I have avoided the from address. Otherwise, you can write the from address before the to address. Then the subject is appreciation for the article titled Kaleshwaram project boon to Telangana. So I am writing an appreciation. I am happy with the article and I want to add up some more points. So I am writing appreciation for the article. Then sir, this is I am greeting the editor. I am an avid reader of your esteemed newspaper. I am quite impressed reading the articles on schemes of Telangana government published in your newspaper. So this is the rapport that we are creating with the editor. Nextly, we come to the body of the letter. Here I say, I wish to express my views on the Kaleshwaram project set up by our Telangana government. So here you can say, you can quote the date on which the article appeared. You can also write who is the reporter who has given or on which page it was published. Those all can be written here. Now later you write about, you express your opinion. This project has given a scope to use the fresh water available to the maximum extent. It has improved the agriculture by providing irrigation for many cultivable lands. This project would hopefully minimize the tapping of underground water. This has made our Telangana government resourceful and self-reliant. So write everything which is your opinion in the second paragraph itself. Then conclusion. I hope many more articles of other multipurpose projects would be published in the near future. Thanking you should be in the center of the page. Yours faithfully. Remember children, never put apostrophe for yours. Thank you for listening. For any other queries regarding this skill, you can comment in the comment box below. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.